Hi there, costume creators. I'm Rachel. Welcome to my channel, Bricoleuse. I've worked as a professional costumer for over 25 years. My work's been seen on stages from LA to Boston, film, television, and Broadway as well. Due to COVID-19, I converted my 2020 millinery class to online instruction, and I wanted to share my content and skills with a wider audience. Not only fellow educators and their students, but anyone interested in learning more about costume production topics, from millinery to mask making, dyeing and surface design, gloves and shoes, parasols and reticules, and more. My content includes tutorials, project vlogs, safety-compliant work practices, topical unboxing videos, professional and educational tips for costumers, and more. So if you're interested in any of that, please subscribe. I upload at least one video a month, more when the theater where I work is off season. I also stream live from my home studio on occasion. When you subscribe, click the bell for notification of new content and to get advance notice of those studio streams. Thank you for your interest in my channel, and I look forward to meeting you in the comments. I love talking about this work and answering any questions you have.